Safe harbor language for Society 2. Type 2. Speak liability safe. Let's kick off with why safe harbor language matters. It sets expectations so your audience knows what's confirmed versus what's still in motion, and it limits liability if plans shift. You'll hear it in compliance briefings and product roadmaps, where uncertainty is normal. It clearly signals that plans can change due to risks, resources, or regulation. Most importantly, it helps non-lawyers speak safely. You can share progress and intent without sounding like you're making legal promises. Think of it as a friendly boundary. Be transparent, stay accurate, and avoid overcommitting while still communicating value. A Society 2 Type 2 report evaluates your controls and how effective they were over time, not just on paper. It covers a defined review period, for example, January to June, and tests whether controls operated consistently. It's built on the trust services criteria, security, and often availability, confidentiality, processing integrity, and privacy. Crucially, it's evidence-based. Audit tests, logs, tickets, and artifacts, not marketing claims. So, when communicating Society 2, stick to what the report actually examined, when it did so, and which systems were in scope. A strong safe harbor includes 4 pieces. First, a forward-looking statements disclaimer. You're sharing plans, not guarantees. Second, note factors that could cause changes. Regulatory shifts, dependencies, staffing, vendor issues, or security threats. Third, state there's no obligation to update these statements if circumstances evolve. Finally, reference official reports or audits, like your Society 2, so facts come from verified sources. Together, these elements protect you while keeping communication clear and credible for customers, partners, and stakeholders. Try this template. This presentation includes forward-looking statements that involve risks and uncertainties. Actual results may differ materially. Then mention signal words like plan, expect, aim, target, anticipate, and intend. Add a brief risk note. Factors include regulatory changes, resource availability, dependencies, and security considerations. Close by, directing people to formal filings or auditor reports for authoritative details. This structure is concise, transparent, and easy for teams to reuse without drifting into risky promises. Use precise scope language. Our Society 2 Type 2 covers systems for the period dates. Then clarify exclusions. What systems or regions were out of scope? Avoid implying customer compliance. Your report is about your controls, not your clients' environments. Emphasize evidence is time-bound. It demonstrates how controls operated during the audit period, not forever. This keeps expectations realistic and prevents overreach while still showcasing the rigor of your program. Skip absolute guarantees like 100% secure or breach-proof. Security is risk management, not certainty. Don't lock in fixed timelines as promises. Say target or estimate instead. Avoid legal conclusions such as, "We are certified compliant with all laws." And don't claim that a Society 2 is a certification. It's an attestation report. Finally, don't paraphrase the auditor's opinion loosely. Misstatements create confusion and risk. If in doubt, quote the report exactly or defer to legal/compliance. Choose cautious verbs. Designed to, we intend to, we target, we expect. Anchor statements to controls and evidence. Access is reviewed quarterly as evidenced by tickets and logs. When referencing Society 2, Quote the report or cite the section, rather than summarizing casually. Replace promises with next steps. We're piloting multi-factor for all contractors next quarter and will report outcomes. This approach stays accurate, shows momentum, and keeps you on solid compliance ground. Before you present, 1. Start with the forward-looking disclaimer. 2. Define scope clearly, systems, environments, and the review period. 3. Name key risks and state the no obligation to update stance. 4. Point the audience to the Society 2 report or official documents for details. When in doubt, use cautious verbs, cite evidence, and avoid absolutes. With these habits, you'll communicate confidently, inform stakeholders, and stay safe from avoidable compliance pitfalls.